Hi guys, today, we reviewed the best 300 mAh power bank in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. For price and details please check the description below. If you have any other recommendations you can let us know by leaving a comment. mAh 300 mAh Power Bank USB CPD 3.0 Quick Charge plus Fast Charge 3.0 Portable External Laptop Battery for Samsung Power Bank. Features of this product: Brand name, mAh. Item name, mAh 300 mAh PD Fast Charging plus Quick Charge 3.0 Power Bank. Appointment, for the laptop function, for tablet appointment, for drone function, for camera appointment, for the smartphone input interface, micro USB input interface, USB Type-C input interface, lightning battery type, Li polymer features, support fast charge features, digital display battery capacity, mAh, 30,000 mAh size, 145 x 65 x 38 sun charge support, no support fast charge, yes, two-way output interface, USB Type-C output interface, 4 exhaust type, portable weight, about 509 GLED indication, no quality certification, European Certificate of Conformity Quality Certification, RoHS Quality Certification, Quality Certification, Mandatory Certificate. Item name, mAh 300 mAh PD Fast Charging plus Quick Charge 3.0 Power Bank Compatible Model 1. USB PD Fast Charging Power Bank for iPhone XS Max XR8 Plus Power Compatible Model 2, QC 3.0 Power Bank for Samsung Note 9s 9s9 Plus S8 Note 8 Plus Compatible Model 3, USB Power Bank for Huawei Mate 2020 Pro P20 P20 Lite Plus Power Bank Compatible Model 4. USB Power Bank for Xiaomi Mix 3 SMIH Redmi 6 Pro Note 5 Pro Bank Compatible Model 5. External battery for MacBook Pro Air Samsung Huawei Xiaomi Laptop Input for iPhone Phone, DC 5 volts, 2A Max Micro USB Input, DC 5 volts, 2A 9 volts, 2A 12 volts, 1.5A Max Type-C Input, DC 5 volts, 2A 9 volts, 2A 12 volts, 1.5A Max Type-C output, DC 5 volts, 2A 9 volts, 2A 12 volts, 1.5A Max USB output 1, DC 5 volts, 2.4 USB output 2, DC 5 volts, 3A 9 volts, 2A 12 volts, 1.5A Max battery capacity, 300 mAh. 3.8 volts 144.4 Wh color, black, white fast charging technology, USB PD fast charging plus quick charge 3.0 wholesale, dropshipping, support style, power bank, power bank, portable charger, portable battery, so this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.